Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2008 Acura RDX Turbo. Now, I've driven one of these before, 2011 in fact, but I believe that car had a boost leak. This one does not. This is an auction piece. It's not perfect. Matter of fact, I had to put the plate on the front because the bolts sheared off. So it's not perfect, but it's an RDX Turbo. So, let's take this thing for a ride. How many miles are on you? The AC doesn't work. 141,000 miles. Not terrible for an 08 at the end of the day. No backup camera. Do have a boost gauge. It's pretty cool. Paddle shifters. And you can make boost noises. I'm gonna see, can I get this to vent? So I can get some airflow in here without making it atrocious for the video. This little thing rips. I've never really floored it in this thing, so, but oh, that's awful. You know, on the highway, this thing ain't half bad. Suspension's definitely a little bouncy. I am running low on gas. This thing, I don't know if this is factory or not. The intake definitely is. Or if it's just over time. This thing makes tons of turbo noises. bike, but not bad. Again, 141,000 miles. This is not a perfect example, and I'm not saying it is either. Wow, this thing scoots. Oh, you're a fun little toy. You're an SUV, but you're fun. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.